Hello and welcome. I am Rohit Risal. In this demonstration, our goal is to create an employment lifecycle policy advisor that helps managers to access company-specific employment policies and provide them with actionable guidance. The AI Agent Employment Lifecycle Policy Advisor aims to provide managers with clear, step-by-step guidance on company policies for hiring, onboarding, development, and offboarding. As a result, managers can make quicker decisions. To create the agent from the CD template, we need to follow these main steps. First, we copy the pre-built template, then create tools or edit existing tools that the agent can use to find and show details, put together a team for the agent, including a worker agent using the tools, and finally test the agent and make it available for use. To begin, let's go to AI Agent Studio, which is where developers and administrators create and manage these AI agents. Let's begin by navigating to Tools and then selecting AI Agent Studio. Once we are inside, we will see a list of CD templates available for our use. To narrow this list down, we will apply a filter for employment. Now we can see our CD template, the Employment Lifecycle Policy Advisor. This template is designed to guide managers through company policies related to hiring, onboarding, development, and offboarding. For this lab, we are going to make a copy of the Employment Lifecycle Policy Advisor agent. So we'll click on the Copy Template option. Here we will enter the agent team suffix, which will be used when creating the name for our custom agent. Once the suffix is entered, we'll click Continue. At this point, we are in the AI Agent Studio canvas. The system has generated a name for us using the suffix we provided, and we can see the agent is in draft mode. This is our chance to review the agent team details and definition, as well as the AI agent itself, the topics it will cover, and the tools it will use. First, let's click on the gear icon to go into the agent team settings. In the Details tab, we can see the agent team name, team code, family, product, maximum interactions, and description. If needed, we can adjust the maximum interactions, which control how many times this agent can interact with tools and topics. LLM provider is default. Now moving to the questions section. We can enter starter questions for users. Let's enter a question here. Moving on to the security section. We can define which roles will have access to this agent. Here we will add the line manager role since the agent should be accessible to managers. Click on Apply and then select Update. Now we are back on the canvas. Here we can see the current agent, the tools it's associated with, and any topics it has. Let's first review the AI agent itself. We'll click on the three dots and select Edit. The details match what we saw in the agent team settings, but now we also see the prompt. This is the seeded prompt which contains the instructions, rules, and context that define the agent's behavior, identity, and boundaries. Now under LLM, it shows the language model it will be utilizing. We will keep it as default. After we are done reviewing the agent, we have the option to update it if we made any changes or cancel if we haven't made any changes. So here we'll keep the default prompt and language model and exit without making changes. Next, we'll look at the tools. Out of the box, this agent comes with a document tool, but we'll remove it and create our own document tool. To create a new tool, we'll click on the Tools tab and then click on Add. Under Tool Type, there is a list of options available. Business Object lets the agent retrieve data from Fusion application. Deep Link creates direct links to specific pages in Fusion application. Document allows the agent to use uploaded files to respond to inquiries. Email enables the agent to send or manage messages. And external REST connects the agent to an outside application through REST APIs. So let's go ahead and select tool type as document. Give it a name. And it will automatically generate the code. Enter the family as HCM, product as Global Human Resources. For the description, let's input something that will describe what the document tool does. Now under Documents, click on Add. Give it a name. Change the status to Ready to Publish. Give it a description. And then upload the policy document. Scroll down, click on Save, and then select Create. Before the agent can use this new document tool, we need to run an ESS process. We will open another tab and go to Tools, Scheduled Processes. So we'll navigate to Tools, and under Tools, click on Schedule Processes. Click on Schedule New Process. Search for Process Agent Documents job. Select Process Agent Documents and click on OK. Now click on OK again. Click on Submit. Click on Refresh. And wait for the process to complete. The process has run to success. Now go back to the tool. Now we will search for our document tool to confirm that the document status has changed to published. So under Tools tab, we will search for the tool we just created. Click on the pencil icon to open the tool. And we can see the document is now published. And we can now add the document tool to our agent in the canvas. So navigate back to AI Agent Studio. First, select the Tools box to enable the panel on the left. In the search bar, look for the document tool that was created earlier. Once it appears, click the plus icon to add the tool to the agent. Click on Add. With that, the document tool is now successfully added. At this point, it's a good idea to debug and make sure everything is working correctly. We will click on Debug, that is this play icon, and interact with the agent. The agent responds using information from the document tool we just added. Users can also open the cited sources while reviewing the response to confirm the accuracy of the information. Now we know the agent is working as expected. We can go ahead and publish the Employment Lifecycle Policy Advisor agent. Once it's live, managers can start using it by navigating to Me and then select AI Chat. Search for the agent that was created. Select the agent and start interacting with the agent. And the agent responds to the user query by referencing the document tool that we added to our agent. There is also another way to make the agent available to the user by embedding it directly into a Redwood page using a guided journey. That brings us to the end of the demonstration. Thank you.